everyone, this is Vidushi. Welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. And as you all know, last week मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था which was basically what to wear at Indian weddings, जिसमें मैंने कवर किया था कि मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड की मेहंदी / हल्दी में क्या पहना था. So अगर आपने वो वीडियो देखा है then very good, you've done your homework. I'm so proud of you guys. पर अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है, I'm gonna link it up here. जब भी आपको चांस मिले इस वीडियो के बाद please watch it. और आज जो हमारा वीडियो है वो होने वाला है what to wear at Indian weddings. Basically इसमें I'm gonna talk about what I wore at her cocktail / संगीत and what I wore at the main event, which is the wedding, the shadi. So let's begin, guys. Okay, so moving on to what I wore at her Sangeet. Now usually Sangeet nights या cocktail nights जो होती हैं, as the name suggests, रात को होती हैं, and it involves a lot of dancing, moving around and stuff like that. So it is very important that when you choose your outfit, one, it has to be light, and two, it has to be very comfortable. You don't want, एक हाथ में दुपट्टा है and एक हाथ में आप अपना bag संभाल रहे हो and then you have earrings and stuff like that. So you need to make sure that you are very comfortable at that point of time, because obviously if you're a bridesmaid or if you are a bride's sister or her best friend, then आप शादी में डांस तो करोगे ही, आप इधर उधर भागोगे ही. सो मेक श्योर दैट जो आउटफिट आप चूज कर रहे हो वो बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट एंड कंफर्टेबल हो. एंड हेंस कीपिंग ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड, आई चोज टू गो अहेड विद दिस इंडियन वेस्टर्न गाउन. एंड जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, दीज डेज इंडियन वेस्टर्न गाउन्स आर वेरी पॉपुलर, स्पेशली संगीत एंड कॉकटेल नाइट्स में. इट इज अगेन वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड ईजी टू कैरी, क्योंकि यू डोंट हैव द दुपट्टा, you don't have a lot of heavy accessories, so you can dance and move around and everything. So I also chose to go ahead with this beautiful mauve colored Indo-Western gown, and it had this whole Cleopatra wala look. I loved the neck of the gown. Like, the neck actually made it stand out and made it different from other Indo-Western gowns, and of course the color was amazing. So I thought that this is it, I have to wear this one. Yeah, it was nice, flary and very light, very comfortable, and it looked beautiful while dancing as well because it had a lot of घेरा and काफी अच्छा लग रहा था वो. When it comes to accessories, क्योंकि उसका neck काफी heavy था, I did not choose to wear much of accessories. It was just my watch that I was wearing. That is it. Also, when it comes to makeup, again, it was a night event. I decided to do smoky eyes, and I just love doing smoky eyes, and it's the easiest thing to do क्योंकि आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You just need to take any dark colored eyeshadow and just blend it with your fingers on your eyelids and you're sorted. So that's what I did, and because my lips, I kept it very light so that my eye makeup could stand out. Yeah, so this is what I wore at her Sangeet / cocktail, and it was super fun and we had a great time. Okay, now moving on to the main event, which is शादी. The best part about Indian weddings is कि आप काफी सारी चीजें एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो when it comes to what to wear at Indian weddings, and by weddings I mean the proper शादी event. Of course, first and foremost there's साड़ी. आप कोई भी साड़ी पहनोगे, चाहे वो heavy हो या light हो, I'm sure you're gonna look beautiful because साड़ी makes you look beautiful no matter what. So that is, I think, one of the best options to go for and one of the most convenient options to go for. But if not sari, then of course you could go for all of these sharara garara suits जो आजकल काफी popular हो गए हैं, and they look very pretty and are very comfortable at the same time. तो अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा overboard नहीं जाना, then you can opt for these sharara garara suits. They're very pretty. And of course, if you want to go the classic way, then there are lehengas that you could go for, and that's what I did. And since it was a morning wedding, I chose to go ahead with a nice double shaded purplish pinkish Banarsi lehenga. And गाइस ऑनेस्टली मुझे बनारसी लहंगा पहनने का काफी टाइम से मन था, बट एक्चुअली मुझे मौका नहीं मिल रहा था, एंड फाइनली आई गॉट अ चांस टू वेयर इट एट हर वेडिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक सुपर सुपर हैप्पी। हैविंग सेड दैट, क्योंकि वो शादी दिन में थी ऑलमोस्ट 12-1 बजे के वक्त, एंड इट वाज एन आउटडोर सेटिंग, आई थॉट दैट दिस कलर वुड रियली लुक नाइस एंड इट वुड रियली कॉम्प्लीमेंट द होल वाइब एंड सेटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। एंड आई थिंक इट गोज विदाउट सेइंग, अगर दिन की शादी है या सुबह की शादी है, सो यू वुड जनरली go for a color that is, you know, थोड़ा पेस्टल शेड में हो, पेस्टलिश येलो या फिर पिंक या फिर पर्पल। ऑल्सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू द कंफर्ट एस्पेक्ट, आई थिंक यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, बिकॉज वन, द लहंगा वॉज वेरी हैवी, तो मुझे वो हमेशा उठा के ऐसे यहाँ वहां जाना पड़ रहा था। तो बहुत सारी बार ऐसा हुआ कि आई वॉज सो बिजी एडजस्टिंग माई लहंगा एंड होल्डिंग माई लहंगा कि आई actually could not really focus on a lot of things that were happening at the wedding. That is something that you don't want to happen that day. So make sure that whatever you're wearing is light and comfortable. The other thing is that I was wearing pencil heels that day. The ground was uneven, so pura grass tha. I could not walk and my heels were just ground ke andar chali ja rahi thi baar baar. So it was very difficult to walk, and hence my feet were hurting like crazy. So another tip, if you are going for a function and you are going to be standing a lot, and if you have to wear heels, then please go for platform heels, because otherwise your feet are gonna hurt real bad, and that's what happened with me. So you don't want that to happen with you as well. Moving on to the accessories and makeup, here everything was very subtle, very light. The only accessory I was wearing was a mang tika along with my watch. That is it. And of course I had a portly to keep my phone and other stuff. And even the makeup was very, very, very minimal. I went ahead with a nice peachish colored eyeshadow with a rose gold cut tinge, and lips again were in the pinkish nudish zone. So yeah, that's what I wore at my friend's wedding, and this brings us to the end of the video guys, which basically means कि मैं आपको बोलने वाली हूँ कि अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो you need to like it, you need to share it, and of course you need to comment below and let me know which is your favorite outfit to wear at Indian weddings. And agar koi interesting story hai to please share it with me. I'll be back next week with another video. Till then, you guys take care, subscribe to my channel, and bye.